Before I start the preaching,
Sure one's dying the dia lam changa.
I will read a short poem.
Ngan puli ka wai ka poetry ka ba lakot.
Okay? It says, when God said no.
Ka ba ong nada ublay ong em.
I asked God to take away my pride.
Nga ong yu ublay to ship no e ka jing sarok na dono changa.
But God said no.
Ndai ublay ong em.
It was not for Him to take away, but it is for me to give up.
Kamdi setia yu ublay mo ship ne ka dia nga ba bread no e ka.
I asked God to grant me patience.
Nga dua yu ublay mo ay nga ka man sim to jing Aisha.
But He said no.
Ndai ong em.
He said that patience is a byproduct of troubles.
Uang ba ka jing Aisha mo wan lang ka jing sha e ba bo ti jing jinja.
Patience isn't granted, it is earned.
Kajing Aisha kamdi ka ba na ay manu ni ka de ka bangini ban kamay ya ka kali ban yo na ka de.
I asked God to give me happiness.
Nga dua yu ublay mo ay ka jing sum ka jing im changa.
But He said no.
Ndai ong em.
He gives blessing and happiness is up to me.
Wai jing ka khu ba ka jing sum ya ka jing im ka changa.
I asked God to spare me pain.
Nga dua yu ublay mo play yang nga ka jing sitong baro.
He said no.
Ndai ong em.
Because God said, my grace is sufficient for you.
Na mau ong ka jing ai changa ka dap yang yemi dap yang fa.
My power is made strong in your weakness.
Ka jing ka bol ka changa ka penchana ka jing talat ka jong fi.
Therefore, I will boast in my weakness.
Nama kata na lekmen wa ka jing talat ka changa.
Amen.
Amen.
When you are weak, God is strong.
Haba fitula tak tahu boleh mulai.
And when you trust God, you are strong.
Haba fisanya yang boleh filong filong kibri bagai lain.